Hi guys, welcome to my video on the top 5 steps to generate income with affiliate marketing on YouTube in 2021. Now, in a moment, we will go through the 5 steps, but for now, let's ask ourselves one question. Why YouTube for your affiliate marketing? Well, number one, Facebook ads are increasing tremendously. I mean, it's ridiculous. This is sad because they used to be quite cheap. But as it increases, those who have a very low budget, it's going to be more difficult for you to be profitable, right? And the fact is, there's more competitors in the space. There's more affiliate marketers, meaning there's more people promoting on Facebook to the same products that you're promoting. So it makes it much harder for you to really stand out. And if you don't have that budget to outbid your competitors, you're not really going to make that much money or any money at all. Next is Google ads. Some buyer keywords are very competitive, making them very expensive. People are spending as much as $12 per click or even more, depending on how specific and profitable and detailed your keywords are that you're bidding for. So that makes it much harder. The next one, I'm sure a few of you people can relate if you've ever ran Facebook ads. Your Facebook ad account getting banned. I mean, that's one of the most frustrating experiences you can go through as a marketer. When you wake up in the morning thinking that you've set a clear campaign just to wake up to Facebook's algorithm literally shutting you down. So that means in order for you to become successful on Facebook, you have to have perfect copy. You have to have perfect images. You have to make sure that your landing page is up to code, up to scratch. Everything has to be perfect. And that's pretty hard to do when terms of services are consistently changing. If not, maybe the product isn't on code, because Facebook just really doesn't like affiliate marketers. And that's the honest truth. So if you're going to do affiliate marketing on Facebook, be prepared to spend a lot of money, but also be prepared to be perfect. Because if you're not up to date with Facebook's terms of services, you will get your account banned, you will get your ads rejected or just blocked altogether. Now, most people don't have enough money. Paid campaigns need to be scaled. Even if you have a small budget and you're thinking, yep, I've got it, I've got traction, you have to scale that. And if you don't scale it, then you don't necessarily get back the money at the same rate that you would like. The problem with this is some affiliate programs do not pay you out immediately, meaning you might have to wait every 2 weeks, every 30 days. So if you don't have enough money to sustain that campaign for a long period of time until you get paid and can reinvest in yourself, it becomes very difficult to keep up and become profitable with a campaign via paid ads. Instagram and Facebook posts are also very short-lived. Once you post it and you don't pay for it, it disappears. People don't get to see it. Once they've scrolled past your ad or they scroll past your post, that's the end of your engagement with them. You can retarget them, but the fact of the matter is, it doesn't have an evergreen presence. And that's why YouTube is just so amazing, because you do have that evergreen presence. Now that we have that clear, let's get into the top 5 steps to generate income with affiliate marketing on YouTube in 2021. So step 1 is quite simple. Get access to your affiliate products and links. So before you do that, decide exactly what niche you want to get into. I personally recommend you look into the health, wealth, and relationship niches, as those are the 3 big niches in the field. Within those, there's sub niches that you can get into. Under health, you can get into fitness, weight loss. There's specific products on, let's say, ClickBank, diabetes offers. You can do so much just in that simple niche alone. After you've decided what niche you want to get into, the next thing would be to sign up for an affiliate network. Now, you have a few options here, a few good options, depending on what you're trying to do, what your channel is about, and what your niche is about. Now, if you're somebody who is doing product reviews, maybe cameras or electronics, or whatever kind of reviews you do regarding goods, Amazon Affiliates has an amazing program. Let's head over there real quick. Amazon Affiliate. So here, the Amazon Affiliate program is called the Amazon Associates, right? Program. So what you do, you'd come over here, literally sign up, fill in all the information, and you would have access to basically anything that's on Amazon, and you'd earn your commissions. The good thing about this is after your review, you simply just place that link underneath your description and you're driving good traffic towards Amazon and they pay you out. It's a pretty simple process. Now, share a sale is also pretty good. Works on the same principle. You head over here, trusted partnerships that drive growth. So they also have so many products to choose from. All you have to do is figure out what you want to do. They give you so many tools, payments, support. I mean, you can't go wrong here. The most popular one is ClickBank though. I won't lie to you guys. ClickBank is where most people tend to start off on. Now, here's what's great about ClickBank. You don't even have to think. All you have to do is come over here, and if you're not sure about what niche you're interested in, come to this section here, don't type anything in this section, just type the search button or hit the search button, and it will give you a list of the products that are really doing well right now as we speak. And maybe something will inspire you. I mean, this is going to be in the health niche. It's a belly tonic. Once again, BioFit. Health. This one's doing good. It's numerology, right? So surprisingly, there's offers like this that do very well. I mean, over 200 affiliates are really doing good with this. I mean, you have so many options. And on the left, you can see all the different niches you can get into. So if you're into art, you have so many products to choose from over here. You know, pencil drawing made easy, if that's your thing. If you're into the make money online, e-business, e-marketing. So figure out what kind of products you want to promote. And once you promote it, you head over, click on it, retrieve. So let's say we're using this, for example. You would retrieve this affiliate link right here. And then eventually that's where you're going to send people to in order for them to buy whatever recommended product that you have suggested. So ClickBank's great. JVZoo, another great place to go to. Now, Munch Eye is quite unique. This is a website for products that have yet to be released. And this is a process called launch jacking. So the idea is that these people are about to release a product. Therefore, there's going to be a bit of energy behind it, a bit of marketing spent on it. And it's your job to do a review video of these products, promote it, and get in on the early action. So somebody sees your review, then they're going to buy through your link and then you make money. So these products usually do not have any competition in the beginning. So if you get on this right on time before the launch dates, right, and you sign up to whatever affiliate network these products are associated with, then you're guaranteed to make some good money. You could literally just do this all day and you'd have a solid channel and make some really good money. There's been so many people that have been very successful just launch jacking. And the next is simple. If there's products and services that you like, you can contact the companies and inquire about if they have any affiliate stroke partnership programs available. So once you've signed up to all of these places, the last thing to do is to get your links and place them safely aside, maybe in a document. Just place your links aside, ready to use. Now, step 2 is quite simple. Get yourself a domain name, hosting, and landing page builder. Now, why do you need a domain name? Well, you can't just put a raw affiliate link straight into the description of your YouTube video or any type of other marketing campaigns. You want to have a professional domain which is branded because it helps build trust. It increases click-through rate because nobody wants to click a link that doesn't look trustworthy. So once you've got a domain name from Namecheap, head over to one of the hosting providers of your choice. You know, there's Bluehost, there's InMotion Hosting, and there's GoDaddy. You know, that's quite simple. Head over there, sign up for one of the packages that makes sense for you, right? That's within your budget, that's maintainable, so that you can now take your domain name live. Once it's live, then you are in business. You can head over and find yourself a landing page provider. The best on the market would be from ClickFunnels to Kartra or Builderoo. You can check these out yourself. And you can pretty much find yourself some good deals in there, or at least go through a trial period with them. But you definitely need a landing page builder. Why? Because this is your way of being able to capture leads on your YouTube channel. And capturing leads equals building an email list. And building an email list is very profitable. So step 3, which is normally the fun part, well, depending on your creativity level, but decide what kind of video you want to create. What is it about? Are you doing an Amazon product review, unboxing? You know, are you doing digital product reviews? Are you doing software reviews? Are you doing launch jacking like I mentioned earlier? Figure out what you want to do because this is going to play a big role in how you approach it and the type of video you're going to create. Also, whenever you're creating these videos, always remember to tell the people exactly where to find your affiliate link. Don't just assume that they know. Always tell them below there's an affiliate link that goes to this or that place. Tell them what's on the other side of the affiliate link, and always make sure that you put a disclaimer below in the description as well. That way you keep above board. YouTube doesn't have a problem with you. Viewers don't feel like you're being sleazy or trying to one up on them. Total transparency is the best policy when it comes to creating your content. Now, step 4, which I kind of bled into when I was speaking about step 3, is add affiliate links to your videos. It sounds very basic, but you'll be surprised how people don't do this the right way. So you add your affiliate links in the description of the video above the fold. What do I mean when I say above the fold? I mean this. Here's a video of a Kartra review, right? This lady has put her Kartra review link right here above the fold. Anything after show me is below the fold. So let's say you put your affiliate link here and you say in the description below, I don't feel like pressing that. It's not here. I'm clicking on to the next person. You see, but it being here and her link being professional and neat, it makes it so much easier for people to actually take action on whatever you're offering. It's consistency with the brand, it's consistency with the messaging in the video, and that way you're going to get a higher click-through rate. So before we get to step 5, the final step, let's recap steps 1 to 4 very quickly. So step 1, you've gained access to your affiliate products and your links, right? Step 2, you've got your domain name, your hosting and landing page builder, so you can capture those leads that's coming in. And also you can make your domain name go live. Step 3, you've created your content, your videos. Step 4, you're adding those links to your YouTube videos in the description. Now, step 5 is pretty cool. Step 5 is get evergreen ads on the front page of Google and YouTube. Now, this is where you reward yourself for all the hard work you've done in steps 1 to step 4. And this is perfect because Google allows us to put videos on its front page, which means if somebody's typing in a search term and your video's right there, it's going to stand out from all the other website links. You know, Google is literally the #1 search engine in the world. And with YouTube being the #2 search engine in the world, the combination of getting these free ads means it's going to be there for a very long time. You know, free ads means pure profits, unlike platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Your free Google ads stay there for years to come, generating you income over and over and over again. So if I go back to Google and I type in Kartra review, you're going to see these people paying for ads once again, but Louise Henry, I don't know who you are, but I can guarantee she is making a lot of money. Why? Let me turn on my keywords everywhere. That's 1,000 monthly viewers who are looking for this key term, which is once again a buyer's intent keyword. And those who are 1, 2, 3 in terms of the ads, they're paying $9.30 per click. So why is step 5 important? Step 5 is important because this gives you the ability to be profitable out the gate. You are literally utilizing Google's front page for your own use. And if you do this with multiple products, multiple videos, you are going to increase your profits continuously for years to come without going through the frustration of Facebook ad bans, without running out of money, all the other things that come along with paid traffic. If you want to get a bit more detailed about how you can get evergreen ads to the front page of Google, then check the comments or description below and I'll place a link there and just sign up for one of the trainings that we have going on. And you'll get way more informed detail of how you can do this yourself. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell if you like this video. The next video we'll talk about 5 reasons YouTube is better than Facebook in 2021. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.